Hello my dear student, I am Rakesh Sabe from Sunbeam Sun City. My dear, today I will teach you the topic which I have told you in the morning also, that the topic is reflection, that is mirror formula. Today we are going to do, and this mirror formula which we are going to do, my dear, you must be knowing we have to derive the mirror formula. This mirror formula is also called relation between U is object distance, V that is image distance, and F that is focal length. So my dears, your exam can be ask you the question, derive the relation between U, V and F, or they can talk to you about derive mirror formula. But very less question time that they will say mirror formula. Always the people say derive the relationship between U, V and F, that is object distance, image distance and focal length for mirror. Now under mirror there are two mirror, you must be knowing that whole story. Concave mirror, convex mirror. Right? Two mirror. So in the exam, see the question can be asked what way. So under mirror formula, there can be a two question. One for concave, one for convex mirror. Right? They can, I told you that way, that do the mirror formula, derive the mirror formula, or derive the UVF relation for convex mirror this way. The next is that under concave mirror, my dear, it is for two images. One is the real image, and other is the virtual image. So now how many questions? Mirror formula. Now for mirror formula, two kind of a mirror, so two questions. But in one mirror, say concave mirror, there are further two questions. That derive a mirror formula for concave mirror. See the question. Derive the mirror formula or derive UVF relation for concave mirror when real image is found, or derive mirror formula or UVF relation for concave mirror when virtual image is found. Right? Similarly, in convex mirror, the mirror formula is for only one, that is for virtual image. So mirror formula in all can be asked in three ways. This can be a three questions under mirror formula. That derive mirror formula for concave mirror for real image, derive mirror formula for concave mirror for virtual image, derive mirror formula for convex mirror for virtual image. Okay, right? Now I will start with mirror formula, deriving mirror formula for concave mirror for real image. Yes. So let's begin with this topic, and then we will go forward. Okay, so I will rub it out. If you wish to write, please write for a minute. So my dear, let's start with the mirror formula. As I told you that we have three questions under mirror formula. This is the last time. Take care, because questions are very important to know before we will go for the answers. So remember the questions. In class 11th, this is a very much problem with you all the students. So take care of the question. That question is, we have the mirror formula or UVF relation by using concave mirror. Either it can be a real image, or the question can be for virtual image, or for convex mirror, again the question is for virtual image. So today I will show you for real image, concave mirror with real image, how to get the mirror formula. Right? Concave mirror to get real image and to get the UVF relations. Tomorrow I will tell you that how to get the UVF relation by using concave and convex mirror for virtual images. Right? So in the board it can be any question. UVF relation is common, but question can be keep on changing. Thank you. So my dear, let's begin with the concave mirror. So let's begin with the concave mirror. Now here my dear, suppose I have started with concave mirror. Right? Concave mirror. And the image form is a real image. Real image. Right? And the question is mirror formula. Mirror formula. Or U, V and F relation. So now my dear, let's start. Let us draw the concave mirror. I am doing here. I draw the concave mirror, my dear. Let this, I already know the outer surface is polished. Say here is the pole. Here is the principal axis. Right? Now you all know that, my dear, here I am taking the extended object. Say the name of the object is AB. Okay. This is your principal axis. Principal axis. And this is your extended object on the principal axis, like perpendicular. Okay. The incident ray will be go from here parallel to the principal axis, the incident ray. This is the incident ray. So here I will write incident ray. Let it fall on the mirror, on the concave mirror. Right? It fall on the concave mirror, say at point M. You can see. And let, my dear, this is one incident ray. Since it is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, it will pass through the focus. So it is passing through the focus after reflection. So say here I will mark focus F. Okay? Because that is a rule. A ray parallel to principal axis, reflection, after reflection, it pass through the focus. I have told in all my videos. Right? You must be learn the rules also. You know the rules. Now one ray will come from, again from, this is the object, right? So light will come from object only. So say one ray will come from A to P, like this. Such incident is called oblique incident. My dear, if the ray from object reaches to point P at the pole, right? These incidents are called oblique incident. Directly at the pole the light is coming, right? And since the same formula, angle I and angle R, so it will be reflected over here. Like this, with the same angle of R, and this line, the principal axis, will be act as the normal because it will be act as a radius. Okay. Now my dear, after doing all this, I hope this is clear. So I have drawn two incident ray, one parallel to the principal axis AM. This is parallel to the principal axis, will reflect it and pass through the principal focus. It will reflect here, you can see, pass through the principal focus. Dusra incident ray is along AP, you can see AP, right? That is incident ray. It will reflect it this way, you can see, and here I can put the name if you wish, along PL. PL, right? And angle I, angle R is the value, and this is the normal. But my dear, here I have drawn the normal, you can see principal axis is the normal. But for this, there I required a normal because I have to measure angle I, angle R. If not only, but also, my dear, angle I and angle R should be mentioned. And one more thing, my dear, I am getting this two reflected ray intersecting here. The reflected ray, which is passing through the focus, this one, right? Here I am writing reflected ray. And the another reflected ray is PL, right? This is also reflected ray, right? These two reflected ray are meeting at this point. So as far as you know, whenever these two reflected ray right, that are resultant ray, because incident ray ka resultant is refracted ray, are meeting at one point, they are forming image at this point. Okay, fine. So you all know that the two rays are enough to get an image, and I am getting the image. But the problem, the situation is that, my dear, to show this mirror formula, we are proving the triangle similarity test or triangle similarity method. We are taking triangle similarity method. Please listen to me carefully. So since triangle has three letters, A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z, L, M, N, right? So here it's my suggestion, that is a logic. I want one more point to make triangle say A, B and C, and that C is the center of curvature. That is nothing but a normal ray required, in short. Because in my all previous videos I told you we required three ray: incident ray, refracted ray and normal ray, and always the normal ray is passed through the center of curvature, because I told you that all over in story कि center of curvature से जो ray pass होता है, that is acting as radius for that sphere, right? And radius is always a normal to the surface. So let's draw the here as a center of curvature. But see to it that center of curvature you mark in your figure afterward. That all logic I am giving. Why? Because that center of curvature say ray should pass through this. So again the light will come from here and it will pass through this and it will fall on the mirror. You can see. And this will be act as a normal ray. Shall I write down here? This is normal ray. Normal ray, because this ray is passing through the center of curvature. So the ray will be incident on the mirror and refracted back along the same path. And please see to it that in all ray diagram you are drawing the rays. Otherwise you will not get a mark. Now my dear, this is the complete diagram for this question. Concave mirror giving real image. And here you can see the image forming. See that this is the image. Here, like this. Right? So now the image is inverted. Pehle to you can see inverted. Please take care of this languages which I am taking. This is inverted. Okay? And inverted images are real image. Real images are always inverted, you can see. Real images are inverted. And I am getting inverted. And second one point is is very important to note, everybody please right now, that in mirror the image are real when they are on the same side. Real image matlab mirror mein obtained on the same side of object. Please take care of this line. In case of mirror, the real image obtained on the same side of object. In case of mirror, real image obtained on the same side of the object. The image which I am obtaining is on the same side. Jahan pe object hai, on the same side I am getting. But in lens, real image obtained on the other side of the object. Okay, so take care of this part. Right? Here in mirror, the real image obtained on the same side of the object. Here you can see. Right? And virtual image obtained on the other side of the object. But right now I am not doing virtual image, I will show you tomorrow. But in lens, real image will obtain on the other side of the object. Real image lens में object के other side में मिलता है और virtual image same side में मिलता है, inverse हो जाता है. So please take care of, this is all the difference in the concave, in the mirror and in the lens. Okay. So now my dear, this is all is the diagram. Since this line is not required because I am not getting anything over here. My image is over here, my object is over here, everything is on this side. So what shall I do? I will rub this. Because I don't need this area. I will use this for writing. So here I will writing P and this is your concave mirror. Sorry. Okay. Now my dear, let us mark the distances. Here this is P, that is pole. Now the first distance is from P to F in this way. Again I am saying Cartesian sign convention. If you remember, the incident ray is going this way, that is this side, you can see, and the distance is measured from pole on this side. So here till focus it is focal length and it is minus f, because it is opposite and the ray is like this. Any incident ray always go from left to right, and then it is very clear that कि मेरे को यहाँ से distance measure करना है हमें. So if I go like this way, I am going opposite to ray, so it all will be minus here in this case. So here it is P pole and here it is C. So this is no doubt, my dear, you can see, no, here I am getting image, okay, sorry. So this is B dash and this is A dash. Why I have written B dash here? Because you can see, my dear, why I have written B dash here? Because you can see B is at the base of the object. So B dash will be at the base of the image. And A is at the apex, so here A dash will be at the down apex. You can see, right? So here, this is your image from pole to image distance, and this is, my dear, minus V. Again it is against the incident ray. Similarly here, this is center of curvature and here pole, the distance will be till here. It will be nothing but, again it is in this direction till C. You can see I am drawing here. It is minus R. And the last distance I will measure till object over here. You can see from the pole, right, this distance in the direction from till the object, you can see this distance is minus U. Okay, so now, my dear, after looking the distance over here in the diagram, can you imagine that what is the thing? You can write here from figure, write down first the distance. That is distance, here is P. So distance PF is equal to minus F. Distance, right, PB dash, no need to write P distance all the time. PB dash is equal to, you can see, minus V. Next is PC is equal to minus R. Next is PB is equal to minus U. P, I have written everywhere, pole and all. That is first. Pole to focus, minus F. Pole to B dash, minus V. Pole to center of curvature, minus R. Pole to B, that is object, is minus U in the diagram. You can see. And this is the image obtaining. Please take care. This is the image obtaining. That is the inverted image. And here I have written B dash, and here I have written A dash. Okay, now see the figure, and there are two triangles, my dear. You can see first I am taking the triangle. You can see in the first this one, triangle ABC. See everybody, this is the triangle. This triangle I am talking about. See the diagram, see the video properly. This triangle ABC and triangle A dash B dash C. This मतलब एक triangle is object triangle and एक triangle is the image triangle, that is A dash, this B dash C, this one small, you can see. Okay, this one are similar triangle. They are similar triangle. We don't need to prove they are similar. They are similar triangles. You have to state directly. So if they are similar triangles, their corresponding ratios are equal. Corresponding ratios. उनका जो corresponding ratio होगा triangle में, base, sides are equal. So okay. So here let's see, and therefore I have taken, और सबसे पहले here I am giving all hints from the video. You please take care. Always write numerator में image, then divide by object. Means you will take the side from the image first, then you will take the side of the object in denominator. So here you can see, you can stick this side first of image, that is A dash B dash. That is nothing but size of the image also, class 10th you know, this is size of the image. A dash B dash I have taken for this triangle, A dash B dash C. So divide by, in ABC it is AB. अगर मैंने ये side लिया है, please everybody see, if I have taken this side A dash B dash, then I have taken this side for this triangle. Okay, that is AB. Divide is equal to, now I have taken base side for this triangle, base. So this is B dash C upon base for this triangle BC. Now here one small thing, request. Now here calm down. My dear, here you have to substitute the values which I have written. Now when you see B dash C, I have not written any B dash C here. मतलब I don't know the B dash C का value in terms of distance. Please take care, this is very important. B dash C, I have taken the ratio. Ratio is not difficult because triangles are similar. Okay, I have taken ratio. After taking the ratio, A dash B dash upon AB, A dash B dash is the size of image divided by size of the object. But B dash C and BC are the base triangle, base of that image side and the object side. And I don't know B dash C ka value directly. You can see I have written here. Even in figure I have not mentioned any B dash C ka value. So what I am going to do, here is a important concept. In CB dash P, you can see CB dash P, CB dash or B dash C, or you can say CB dash plus B dash P is equal to CP. Simple. CB dash, ये तीनों लाइन में है, CB dash P तीनों लाइन में है, तो ऐड करना है तो क्या होगा, CB dash plus B dash P, CB dash plus B dash P is equal to CP. Simple. मेरे को किसका वैल्यू चाहिए, CB dash. I need CB dash का वैल्यू to substitute here. So CB dash is equal to, जिसको B dash C भी बोलते हैं, और this is B dash C is equal to CP minus B dash P. I am not, CB dash is equal to CP minus B dash P. So here I am writing CP minus B dash P whole divided by, now CP value I have, PC is CP, B dash P I have, PB dash. So I have these values. Please take care in my question. I have these values. Okay. So now here similarly in this line BC, where is BC? So see it. BCP. So in BCP, what is BC plus CP is equal to BP. BC plus CP is equal to BP. Simple. So this is what I need, BC. So BC is equal to BP minus CP. BP minus CP. This I have done from here. You can see in the things. And this is from figure. Okay. Next step. Therefore, A dash B dash upon AB is equal to, here CP, right? What is CP? Minus R, because CP is PC. No issues, na? If I say AB or I say BA, what is the problem? So CP is minus R, and minus, here is already minus, and B dash P or PB dash is minus V. So minus and minus become plus. Right? This is minus. The minus and minus become plus, divided by BP. You can see BP. How much is BP? Minus U or PB. So here it is minus U minus CP. That is minus R. Minus again and minus become plus R. Once again see. CP. In numerator there is CP. Here A dash B dash upon AB I have written as it is. Here it is CP. How much is CP or PC? मैंने CP लिखा है या PC भी लिखा है, same है. That is minus R I have written. फिर here it is minus. Okay. But B dash P or PB dash, here B dash P is there, it is PB dash or B dash P, same and minus is here, minus V, minus and minus become plus, so it is plus V, whole divided by BP. How much is BP or PB? Minus U, so I have written minus U, again minus, here it is again minus, and CP, CP is PC, that is minus R, minus and minus become plus R. Okay. Now this is your, say, you put it as equation number 1. Now my dear, take another, this is your step 1. Step 2, in triangle, now there is one more triangle, that is big triangle, you can see, bigger than at least this what they have written, and the triangle is ABP and triangle A dash B dash P, ABP, big triangle, I said big triangle, and A dash B dash P, little smaller, and A dash B dash P are similar triangle, So again here also I will take the ratio, but again the same method, A, B, P में and A dash, B dash, P में I will take पहले size of image divide by size of object. Who represents size of image? Triangle में नाम भी दिख रहा है. All math student and bio student already side में दिख रहा है. So this is A dash, B dash. Again I will take upon AB. Why I am taking this? Because earlier also in equation 1 this is A dash, B dash upon AB. So that it is easy to compare equation 1 and this again I am writing equation 2. Okay. So this is A dash, B dash upon AB is equal to, now look at it what I am getting, B dash P, that is A dash B dash, this side I have taken, divide by AB, this side I have taken, whole divide by is equal to, I have taken B dash P, the base side, B dash P divide by BP, B to P. Well, B dash से P divide by B to P. Okay. But here my dear, I don't need to do all these steps. Why? Because think. Why? Because sir, I have direct value of B dash P. You can see. I have PB dash. So I no need to break it out. Earlier what was the problem? B dash C ka value I don't have in the figure. Try to understand, and therefore I have break it up. But here B dash P I am already having. How much is B dash P? Or PB dash minus V. So here I will write minus V divide by BP or PB, BP or PB. How much is that? Minus U. So this is V by U. And this is equation number 2. So in equation 1 I am getting A dash B dash upon AB is minus R plus V upon minus U plus R. In equation 2 I am getting A dash B dash upon AB is V by U. So now I will say on comparing 1 and 2 we get. So when compare 1 and 2, what we will get? On 1 I am having minus R plus V upon minus U plus R. I am writing here. On comparing 1 and 2, we get A dash B dash upon AB is so much, minus R plus V upon minus U plus R, and here A dash B dash upon AB is V by U. So here I will write minus R plus V upon minus U plus R is equal to V by U. This will give me, I am writing here, and this implies, इसको पढ़ते हैं implies, that is going further, you know all. Let us multiply, cross multiply this two. So minus R and U will multiply, this will become minus UR, I am showing 2 times, minus UR plus UV is equal to this side, minus UV plus VR. I hope it is clear. What this will give me? This will give me what? You can see here is minus UV and here is UV. So this will be UV plus UV, this will come on this side, is equal to, here it is VR and this will go on this side. Okay, plus UR. So what it will be? 2UV. So here I can say rearranging. I have written rearranging. मतलब मैंने इसको rearrange किया. So this is 2UV is equal to VR plus UR. So now I will ask here, divide throughout by UVR. Please take care of this step. I will divide this entire by one product, UVR product. Please take care. That is the, you have to take care of, you have to remember. Here I am dividing by UVR, and in Lenz's formula we will divide by UVF. There are some book we have taken UVF also method. Please take care. It's all depend upon the diagrams. You can draw the UVF also for this same calculations. But I am doing by UVR. I am dividing by UVR. So here what answer I will get? Therefore this will be 2UV upon UVR is equal to VR upon UVR plus UR upon UVR. I hope it is clear, my dear. Simple. Everybody can understand. Now this will give me, okay. Now this will, please you can see. So this will 2UV upon UVR is equal to VR upon UVR plus UR upon UVR. UV cancel in first step. Here also VR and VR cancel. VR cancel completely. Here UR and UR cancel. So what is the answer here? 2 by R is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Now this will be, everybody know, further I went, you all know, this is 2 upon 2 by 2F, because everybody know, since R is equal to 2F. So R, here it become R, this R will become 2F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So 2 and 2 cancel. You can see very clear, we got the mirror formula. The 2 and 2 cancel to each other. The 2 and 2 are cancelled to each other. You can see in the diagram the mirror formula. And now my dear, what is left out, you are all clear, that is the answer is 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So I hope you all clear. So take care of the two concept. So I completed with the concave mirror real image. Pehla baat. Tomorrow I'll upload the concave mirror and convex mirror, but the case is virtual image. Formula will remain same because it is ultimately mirror formula. So mirror is of any nature, any kind. Formula is same. So what are the two concepts? My dear, you are taking two triangles, ABC, actually 4 triangles to prove these theories. That is common idea. And what are the 4 triangles? A, B, C, A dash, B dash, B, C. Take the same name also. All students are doing. Don't worry. Learn it. four triangles, ABC, A dash B dash C, ABP and A dash B dash P. Because every student has a common psychology, taking AB as an object and A dash B dash as the image, and P will be pole and C is the center of curvature. So ultimately these triangles only be framed. So that's all from my side. Thank you all. Enjoy yourself. Jai Hind. Tomorrow I'll upload the virtual image cases for concave mirror and convex mirror both with the mirror formula. Thank you.